So sequences and series are basically forms of discrete mathematics, and discrete mathematics is synonymous with finite mathematics. Now, yes, there are some infinite series and stuff like that, I know, but the main essence of a lot of this applies in discrete mathematics, right? And a lot of it, and in discrete mathematics is where we really see the connection between the real world and math, right? Because a lot of in continuous functions and a lot of those things are like, okay, well, is it really this? Not really, stuff like that. Like, they're more
Wait,
examples.
what do you mean by that?
Well, when it comes to like a continuous function, for example, like I'm just trying to think when you have discrete, numbers, discrete variables, you have a better understanding of it. It's a smaller subset and there's more things you can do with it, right?
But the thing is, you said that like continuous math is more connected to the real world, but
No, I said discrete math is connected more to the real world.
I think they're both equally applicable,
okay,
right? Because there are always situations where you need to use one over the other, or vice versa.
No, that's right. That does hold point for sure. Because continuous math, I shouldn't really say that, but I just wanted to point out that discrete mathematics is really cool, and okay, maybe not more applicable, but is applicable to the real world. And we're going to talk a little bit about that.
But I also don't understand when you say it's synonymous to finite math.
Yeah.
Like, why is it finite?
What do you mean?
Because like sequences are like infinite, right? They range over the natural numbers, but still infinite. What makes it finite?
So usually when we're dealing with, I guess that's also true, but usually when we're dealing with discrete mathematics, finite math and discrete math are very similar in the sense that, the math that applies to both of them, you can use them in both scenarios is what I'm trying to say. Now, that's what I was saying. Even when I was giving those examples of the series, right? Like, for example, like, Taylor series, power, like a lot of them are infinite series. So I know it kind of goes against the whole finite thing that I was trying to say, but I do know for a fact that somewhere there is a connection between discrete and finite math, and just that connection, I just wanted to let people know about the fact that connection exists.
Oh,
right?
Wait. I actually have the Wikipedia page open here. It says it's also called finite math because sometimes it's applied, like in some fields of discrete math, it deals with finite sets.
Finite. Okay, so discrete is not synonymous, but finite is like a part of discrete mathematics. That would make a little more sense.
Yeah, and I guess I can mention, just for the listeners out there, like discrete math. Like today we're going to be talking about sequences and series, as you know, but discrete math deals with objects like the integers, graphs, statements in logic, and such things like that, that are not continuous, essentially.